In this video, we're going to actually show that how to resolve the merge conflict in IntelliJ. I already have my branch sitting in reindeer branch, and I'm actually going to perform the merge command again in this video. Merge, and then we're going to pull it from main. And then again, it's going to show the three files, readme.mds, and then animal test.java, and then the zoomin.java. So then we see that this merging attached to our reindeer branch, showing us that we have conflict. Because Git cannot automatically merge it. So in IntelliJ, this is much better than actually having it in VI, right? We don't need to remember the complicated. So the only problem I'm having is I need to capability to edit this file, and I'm going to come back to that. I may have to use VI for that. So that's a bad show there. Let me actually work on this. So basically, again, we want to remove the last and head. So let's do that. And then we want to remove the equals. And then we want to remove the greater than. And again, in this application, we want to do is we want to update both conflicts into our development. So that's why I'm keeping both set. The choices are either one, right? I can choose either reindeer or elephants. But in this case, we want both. Or we can say both these features are actually wrong, so we don't want to keep either of them. Okay, so that's this file. And that's actually resolved this. And earlier, we do have a problem with, as you can see, if you not doing this carefully, you will lose a curly brace earlier when we saw in the VI video. And so let's add that here and remove the equals and then remove that. Okay, so now our tests is merged with both the reindeer and the elephant's tests are present now. So let's actually run this tests. Here, so more instance in this case, I only got 2 tests. Let's make sure that one is run. For some reason, Muppet is not tested. Okay, let's make sure this is run as well. So this is definitely good. Remember, the reason it's not Muppet not run in this case is the elephant is not run because it's not treated as a test. And we need the word test at tests to be added. Now I should get 3 passing tests here. Okay, that shows that our merge are good. Let me try this time one more time. And I remember show editor only. That's exactly what I want. And let's get and that, and get rid of that. And that actually looks good. And if I undo preview and do preview, it will show us that what will look like on the GitHub page, pretty much on this README file. And once we have satisfied with our merge, we will return to here. And then let's actually do a git status quickly. That I didn't do last time. And again, here, we will show that we are bringing, because the merging, we are bringing elephants into this particular branch. That's the feature. We want to make sure that the feature is merged into the whatever is on the main trunk is actually bring into our branch. So elephant is new to our branch. So that's the code is new. Right now it's actually need to be committed. It's being tracked. Then the other files that is on the merge path and then conflict resolve are these three. And so that's actually, we will git add to track them. Okay. And then git and resolve conflict. Okay. So let's take a look at the git status. Should be clean. And then it's saying that I should push this to the GitHub. And one thing I want to show is one line. And this shows that based on our branch, it has actually showing that based on the graph that it has come together to where it think graphically that we have come to a place where main and it think locally main and reindeer branch are actually come to the points that was code and code has no conflict. Okay, so and we have tested on IntelliJ running the program and as well running the unit tests to see that they are actually fine at the moment. So once this is pushed up to GitHub, then we will see that the GitHub is actually resolved. Well, actually, let me do that. Merge resolve, and then I can actually close the pull request. Okay, so let's actually do that. And let's do git push and origin, and in this case, reindeer. Okay. So when that push comes up, okay, here is the commit that push up. And then when that happens, if there is no conflicts with the main branch then we can actually merge the pull requests. Here, I'm actually not going to revert the work here and then make this having a conflict. So in this video, you will see that we're starting from that point. Okay, so see you in the next video.